Notion has been buzzing in the productivity world, but is it really the best app for work and notes? Today we're digging into its features, usability, and whether it lives up to the hype or falls short. Notion is essentially a versatile workspace that combines notes, tasks, databases, and project management into one platform. Right off the bat, the interface feels sleek and customizable. You can create anything from simple notes to intricate databases, which is a big draw for users looking for an all-in-one solution. The user experience is generally smooth, but it can be a bit overwhelming at first. New users might find the learning curve steep, especially with so many features packed in. It's designed for teams and individuals alike, making it suitable for freelancers, students, and corporate teams. One standout feature is the ability to collaborate in real time, allowing team members to edit documents simultaneously, which is a game changer for remote work. However, I did notice that while templates are available, some users may find them lacking in variety, which could limit creativity. Overall, while Notion is powerful, it does require some time to truly harness its potential. On the plus side, Notion's flexibility is impressive. You can tailor it to fit your workflow, and the collaborative features are top-notch, which is great for teams. The integration options with other tools are also a nice touch. However, there are some downsides. The learning curve can be frustrating for those just looking for a simple note-taking app. Additionally, some features feel a bit clunky, especially if you're trying to set up complex databases. Pricing can be a concern too. While there's a free tier, the premium options can add up if you need advanced features. Notion might not be for everyone. If you prefer straightforward and quick solutions, you might feel overwhelmed. But for those who love customization and collaboration, it could be a perfect match. In conclusion, if you're someone who thrives on organization and needs a flexible tool for both work and personal projects, Notion is definitely worth a try. However, if you're looking for simplicity and ease of use, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's a solid choice, but it's not without its quirks.